Cycling in 2026 isn't just about pedaling anymore. It's about riding smarter, safer, and more connected than ever before. From real-time performance tracking to AI-powered safety systems and ultra-precise navigation tools, today's smart bike gadgets are completely changing how riders experience the road. In this video, we're diving into 18 brand new smart bike gadgets on Amazon that feel like they belong in the future. But you can actually get them right now. These aren't just flashy upgrades. They're practical tools designed to improve speed, comfort, visibility, and control on every ride. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend cyclist, or a hardcore training enthusiast, these innovations turn an ordinary bike into a fully connected riding machine. Get ready, because once you see what these gadgets can do, your current setup might start feeling seriously outdated. CYCPLUS AS2 Pro Max. The CYCPLUS AS2 Pro Max is one of those smart bike gadgets that feels small in your hand, but surprisingly powerful in real-world use. At just 205 grams and pocket size, it slips easily into a jersey or backpack, yet delivers serious performance with up to 120 PSY of inflation power. What really stands out is the speed. It can refill a road bike tire in just over a minute, while keeping things fully automatic with its smart shut-off system. The LED screen, pressure accuracy, and fast USB-C charging make it incredibly convenient for everyday riders. Priced around $115, it's a compact emergency tool that feels like a premium upgrade for any cyclist. CYCPLUS GPS Bike Computer. The CYCPLUS GPS Bike Computer is a surprisingly capable smart cycling gadget, especially for its budget-friendly $40 price tag. It features a clean, 2.5-inch anti-glare LCD screen that keeps your ride data easy to read even under bright sunlight. What really makes it stand out is the amount of information it tracks: speed, distance, cadence, heart rate, altitude, and more, all neatly organized across switchable screens. With a strong 1000 mAh battery, lasting up to 70 hours, it's built for long rides without constant charging. The Bluetooth syncing with Strava adds a modern touch, making it a solid entry-level GPS companion for everyday cyclists. Bike Action Camera. The Bike Action Camera is a compact all-in-one smart riding companion that blends 4K recording, GPS tracking, and cycling data into a single device. It captures sharp 4K UHD footage with 6-axis stabilization, keeping your ride smooth even on rough roads or trails. The built-in GPS and speedometer add real-time performance tracking, while the small IPS screen makes live stats easy to view on the go. Night rides feel safer thanks to the IMX335 sensor and integrated lighting support, delivering clearer low-light visibility than basic action cams. At around $100, it's a solid budget-friendly upgrade for riders who want both safety recording and performance data without carrying extra gear. Lamicall Bike Phone Holder. The Lamicall Bike Phone Holder is a simple but highly practical smart cycling accessory that focuses on one thing: keeping your phone locked in securely, no matter the road conditions. Priced around $16, it offers excellent value with a strong corner grip design and a red safety lock that prevents accidental drops on bumpy rides. The silicone padding helps absorb shocks and protects your phone from scratches and vibration. It fits most smartphones from 4.7 to 6.8 inches and installs in seconds without tools. Overall, it's a budget-friendly, reliable mount that turns your bike into a safer, more connected riding setup. Wsdcam 113 decibel bike alarm. The Wsdcam 113 decibel bike alarm is a small but seriously loud security upgrade for any bike, e-bike, or scooter. At around $19, it delivers strong anti-theft protection with a piercing 113 decibel siren that instantly grabs attention if someone tampers with your ride. The 7-level adjustable vibration sensitivity helps reduce false triggers, while the 3-level volume control lets you fine-tune the alert intensity. A handy wireless remote, 66 feet range, makes arming and disarming simple, and the IP55 rating keeps it reliable in light rain. It even includes a vehicle search function with different tones. Overall, it's a compact, budget-friendly layer of security that adds real peace of mind when parking outdoors. Bike camera. The bike rear view camera, 5-inch 1080p system, is a practical, safety-focused upgrade that makes riding feel much more controlled and aware. At around $46, it delivers a crisp 1080p live rear view on a large display, helping you easily track approaching vehicles and cyclists without constantly turning your head. The wide 130-degree adjustable viewing angle and anti-glare smart brightness system keep visibility clear in changing light conditions. With a strong 10,000 mAh battery, offering up to 10 to 12 hours of use, it's built for long rides. Add in IP67 waterproofing and night vision support, and it becomes a reliable all-weather riding companion that genuinely improves road confidence. Alarm Bike Tail Light. The Alarm Bike Tail Light is a compact but powerful safety upgrade that combines visibility, security, and convenience in one smart gadget. Priced around $25, it features a bright COBLED system with multiple light modes that keeps you clearly visible on busy roads. What really makes it stand out is the built-in 115 decibel motion-sensitive alarm, which instantly triggers if someone tries to move your bike. With adjustable brightness, sensitivity levels, and a USB-C rechargeable 800 mAh battery lasting up to 40 hours, it's built for daily use. Overall, it feels like a smart all-in-one rear guard that adds real peace of mind when parking or riding in traffic. CYPLORE. The CYPLORE Smart Bike gadget is basically a next-gen ultralight e-assist system designed for road and gravel riders who want extra power without turning their bike into a heavy e-bike. Built around a compact rear hub motor and a bottle-style battery, it delivers smooth, natural-feeling assistance that kicks in only when you need it. The standout idea is its invisible upgrade approach, keeping the bike's original ride feel while adding a subtle boost for climbs and long routes. With smart modes, wireless control, and fitness tracking integration, it feels more like a performance tool than a traditional motor kit. Overall, CYPLORE is a clean, futuristic upgrade for purist cyclists who still want an edge. TEX Lock. The TEX Lock Smart Bike gadget redefines what a bike lock feels like in everyday use, blending high-tech security with a surprisingly soft, flexible design. Built from patented hybrid secure textile and an integrated steel core, it delivers strong resistance against cutting, sawing, and fire while staying lightweight and easy to carry. Unlike traditional heavy chains, it can be worn crossbody or wrapped neatly around the frame without scratching the paint. Certified by ART and sold secure, up to diamond depending on model, it's built for serious protection. Pricing typically starts around €129 to €199, $140 to $220, depending on length and model. Overall, it's a modern, travel-friendly lock that prioritizes both security and rider convenience. Blucap Moto. The Blucap Moto Smart Bike gadget is a futuristic riding accessory designed for motorcyclists and cyclists who want real-time navigation without constantly looking down at a phone. Built around a smart AR-assisted display concept integrated into eyewear, it projects key riding information like directions, speed, and alerts directly into your field of view. This makes navigation feel more natural and safer, especially in busy traffic conditions. It also emphasizes hands-free control and improved situational awareness, giving riders a more focused experience on the road. Overall, Blucap Moto stands out as a high-tech wearable upgrade that blends smart connectivity with everyday riding safety and convenience. The Handlebar Bag by Werks. The Handlebar bag by Werks is one of the most thoughtfully designed smart cycling storage systems available today, blending practicality with a cockpit-style tech setup. Built around a rigid, quick-access lid system, it lets riders open the bag one-handed while still on the move, perfect for grabbing snacks, tools, or a phone without stopping. What makes it stand out is the integrated dashboard mounting system, allowing you to attach cycling computers, lights, or phones directly on top of the bag for a cleaner, more organized handlebar setup. With about 3.2 liters of storage, durable weather-resistant materials, and a stable mount system, it feels more like a cockpit upgrade than a simple bike bag. Priced around $150 to $200, depending on configuration, it sits in the premium category, but justifies it with innovation and usability. Overall, it's a smart, rider-focused solution for cyclists who want both storage and tech integration in one compact unit. RydeSafe Headtube Bike Light. The RydeSafe Headtube Bike Light is a clever rethinking of the traditional bicycle light, designed to free up handlebar space while keeping visibility strong and consistent. Priced around $24 to $32, it mounts directly onto the head tube using a flexible silicone strap and features a slim 10 LED strip delivering up to 50 lumens of visibility. With 4 lighting modes, high, low, flash, breathe, and a lightweight build at just 56 grams, it feels almost invisible on the bike until it lights up. The IPX4 water resistance and USB rechargeable battery make it practical for daily commuting. Overall, it's a minimalist but smart safety upgrade for riders who value clean setups and functional design. Zandeeo C1. The Zandeeo C1 Smart GPS riding hub is an all-in-one cycling companion built to simplify navigation, tracking, and ride awareness in a single compact device. Designed as a handlebar-mounted smart hub, it integrates real-time GPS navigation, ride data monitoring, and safety alerts into one clean interface, reducing the need to constantly rely on a phone while riding. It focuses heavily on clarity and ease of use, giving riders turn-by-turn guidance and performance stats in a distraction-free layout. With wireless connectivity and long ride support, it feels like a central command unit for modern cyclists. Overall, the Zandeeo C1 is a smart, practical upgrade that makes every ride more controlled, connected, and confident. DABA. The DABA Smart Bike Multi-Tool is a compact all-in-one cycling repair gadget designed for riders who want to stay prepared without carrying a bulky kit. Built around a foldable, pocket-sized design, weighing about 261 grams, it integrates up to 48 different functions, including hex keys, screwdrivers, spoke wrenches, chain tool, tire levers, and even emergency repair bits depending on the version. Despite its dense feature set, it remains surprisingly portable, fitting into a jersey pocket or small saddlebag. Pricing typically started around $39 to $69 on Kickstarter tiers, depending on the model. Overall, it's a clever survival-style cycling tool that prioritizes versatility over minimalism, making it ideal for long rides and emergencies. XliteBT Smart Bicycle Tail Light. The XliteBT Smart Bicycle Tail Light is a compact but powerful safety upgrade that blends visibility, smart sensing, and anti-theft protection into one sleek unit. At around $35 to $45, it features a bright rear LED system with multiple flash modes and automatic on/off functionality that reacts to movement and ambient light. Its standout feature is the built-in motion vibration alarm, which instantly triggers a loud alert if someone tampers with your bike, making it more than just a light. With USB-C charging, IPX6 waterproofing, and up to approximately 60+ hours runtime, it's designed for daily commuting and long rides. Overall, it feels like a smart security layer that keeps both riders and bikes safer on the road. UrbaNext. The UrbaNext Smart Bike gadget is a practical and futuristic take on e-bike conversion, designed to turn a regular bicycle into an electric ride in about 60 seconds. At around $400 to $900, Kickstarter range depending on version, it focuses on making electrification more accessible without forcing riders to buy a full e-bike. It uses a front-wheel motor system with battery integration, offering up to approximately 20 miles per hour top speed and around 30 miles of range, depending on mode and load. Installation is plug and play, and it supports multiple wheel sizes for broad compatibility. Overall, UrbaNext stands out as a convenient retrofit solution that adds real electric power while keeping your existing bike intact and versatile. Cybersight, the Cybersight. HUD glasses are a bold step into the future of cycling tech, turning ordinary eyewear into a real-time performance and safety display system. At around $329 to $459. Depending on configuration, these smart glasses project key ride data, such as speed, navigation, heart rate, and power, directly into your line of sight using a lightweight, approximately 39-gram frame and waveguide HUD technology. The experience feels surprisingly natural once adjusted, keeping your focus on the road while still delivering constant performance feedback. With Bluetooth connectivity, multi-device support, and up to 8 hours of battery life, they're built for serious riders. Overall, Cybersight feels like a premium, futuristic upgrade that pushes cycling tech closer to a full augmented riding experience. Envelope. The Envelope bike storage system is a smart, minimalist approach to keeping your bike protected and neatly stored when not in use. Designed as a modern upgrade to bulky covers and awkward storage solutions, it focuses on making bike protection faster, cleaner, and more compact. The system wraps around the bike more intuitively, reducing clutter while still shielding it from dust, rain, and everyday wear. Its design philosophy is all about simplicity, easy deployment, easy packing, and a snug fit that feels tailored rather than generic. Overall, Envelope stands out as a practical urban cycling accessory that solves a simple problem with thoughtful, well-executed design. Fly 12. The Fly 12. Smart bike camera and front light is a rugged all-in-one cycling gadget that combines safety lighting with real-time video recording for serious riders. Priced typically around $250 to $350 depending on version, it integrates a 1080p HD action camera with a powerful approximately 400 lumen front light designed to capture every moment while illuminating the road ahead. It supports loop recording, incident capture, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity, and companion app control, making it useful for both commuting and long-distance rides. The build is weather-resistant and designed for handlebar mounting with simple one-button operation. Overall, Fly 12 feels like a dependable ride witness device that prioritizes safety documentation and visibility, though it's on the bulkier side compared to standard bike lights. Woolf. The Woolf Smart Folding Bike Helmet is a next-level cycling innovation that merges portability with intelligent safety features in a way few helmets attempt. Built on a unique fold-flat design, it collapses down in seconds, making it far easier to carry than traditional bulky helmets, perfect for urban commuters. At around $99 on Kickstarter, with an expected retail price near $219, it integrates LED turn signals, brake light functionality, and crash detection via a motion sensor and smartphone app. The helmet also includes energy reduction technology, ERT, for rotational impact protection, aiming to improve safety during angled crashes. Battery-powered smart features and waterproof electronics round out its modern build. Overall, Woolf feels like a forward-thinking hybrid of safety gear and smart mobility tech.